Good morning, my dear students. Today I am here to give a brief procedure about how to fill online examination form for all the semester students. So, as you know, for 6th semester to 7th semester, students are promoted, and 4th semester to 5th semester, students are promoted. Those intermediate semester student has to pay 300 rupees exam fees plus 75 rupees marks card fees and 20 rupees processing fees. It's total about 395 rupees you have to pay online. This is first point. Second point is the students willing to fill backlog subject, means the students those who have failed in the third semester, fifth semester, sixth semester, remaining subjects. If you want to fill each subject, you have to pay 150 rupees plus 75 rupees marks card fees plus 20 rupees processing fees. If a subject are more, you have to go on paying 150 plus 150 plus 150 like that. So if you have three subjects back, it is 450 plus 75 plus 20 rupees. This is backlog. Then 8th semester students, you need to fill the examination form online. The fees for the examination will be 1200 plus 75 plus 20 rupees. I hope it is clear. The students, those who are writing 8th semester exams, the question paper pattern will be, you will be having 10 questions. Out of 10 questions, any 5 you have to answer. Only for a regular semester, that is 8th sem. If you are writing a backlog subject, the question paper pattern will be each module you have to answer one question. There is a slight change in the question paper. 8th semester student have to write 5 questions out of 10 any. If you are writing a backlog, then you have to answer one question from each module, same how you are writing previously. This point must be clear in your mind. Next. As you know, you people are filling the exam form online, right? You required a password, right? So default, your USN number will be your user ID and password will be given to you from the department. And each student is having different password. I hope it is clear. Your user ID will be your USN number and your password will be given from the department, and individual student is having a different password. I hope this point is clear. Then after filling the application form, you need to take a printout and you have to put a signature on that. Along with the examination form, you need to pay the fees also online, and compulsorily you have to give the details regarding UTR number and a screenshot of how you have paid the fees. This is very, very important. Then you need to upload your recent size photocopy photo. That size should not be exceeded to 40 KB. I am telling you again, you need to upload the recent size photo, recent size passport size photo. The photo size should be 40 KBs. After filling these all exam forms, the Google link will be circulated in your official WhatsApp group. So how you uploaded your internal answer sheets like that, your name, USN number, UTR number, and scanned copy of your application, exam application, and the payment, how you have made, screenshot of that payment that you have to upload. Then the application Link will be http colon hash preexam.vtu.ac.in. This is the application filling link. If you have any doubts regarding this, feel free to contact, and notice will be circulated in your official WhatsApp group. Please go through the notice, and if you have any doubts, feel free to contact. All the best.